Get ready to bring your imagination to life. In this fun craft, you'll design a beautiful princess gown by poking colorful petals into the skirt and decorating the dress with sparkling details. Follow the steps and watch your princess come to life. Before we begin, let's take a look at what's inside the kit. You'll find a princess form and a foam skirt form, colorful petals, a bamboo poking tool, and decorative pieces like ribbon, pleated trim, holographic fabric, and a pearl-style decor string. Start by finding a clean, flat surface to work on. Take everything out of the box and lay it out so your crafting station is ready. Now you're ready to start designing. Take your foam skirt form and your bamboo poking tool. Place a petal on the foam, then gently poke the center into the foam with the tool. Press it in until it feels snug, but leave the petals fluffy so your skirt looks bright and full. Use the pink, purple, and white petals to design your princess skirt any way you like. Here are a few tips for the best results. Try making patterns like stripes, swirls, or colorful clusters. Poke the petals close together for a fuller skirt. Some petals may stick together, so separate them before poking. As the skirt fills up, hold the finished areas gently. If a petal pops out, just poke it back in. Now it's time to decorate the dress top. Take the princess form and wrap the holographic fabric around her upper body. When you reach the back, gently press the fabric into the slit using the bamboo tool to hold it in place. You can layer the fabric for extra sparkle and texture. Next, add the pearl-style decor string along the top edge of the dress using double-sided tape. Then, take the pleated trim and wrap it around the princess's waist. Place the double-sided tape on both ends of the trim before you start wrapping. Remove the first tape backing and wrap the trim around the waist. When you reach the final wrap, remove the tape backing to secure it in place. Take the shimmer ribbon and bring the two ends together to make loops. Adjust the loops to make it even, then attach it to the dress using double-sided tape or adhesive dot. Place it on the back of your dress near the waist, or anywhere you like. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully press the decorated princess form into the opening at the top of the foam skirt. Give it a gentle push until it fits snugly. Hold the skirt carefully so the petals stay in place. If a petal falls out, simply use your bamboo poking tool to poke it back in. You'll notice a mesh piece included in your kit. Get creative and use it to style your princess in different ways, as a scarf or even a halter wrap for her dress. Your sparkly princess gown is complete. Display your princess and admire the colorful skirt and sparkling details you created. Every princess dress is unique because you designed it yourself. If you love this 3D princess poke art kit, you'll love the 3D unicorn poke art kit too. Want even more fun? Scan the QR code to join our VIP list. Get free printables, discounts, and creative surprises from your friends at Purple Ladybug, bringing you creativity through crafting.